Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best water flossers of 2024, the perfect tools to take your oral care routine to the next level. Whether you're looking for something powerful to keep your teeth sparkling or a portable option for travel, we've got you covered. Let's jump in and find the perfect flosser for you. Aqua Flosser Pro. Kicking off our best water flossers of 2024 list is the Aqua Flosser Pro, a professional-grade oral irrigator designed to make flossing easier and more effective. Clinically proven to be up to 5 times more effective than traditional flossing, the Aqua Flosser Pro cuts flossing time by 90%, helping you achieve healthier gums and teeth in as little as 2 weeks. With its extra-large 20-ounce water reservoir, you won't need to refill frequently, and the device comes with 4 jet tips, including a tongue scraper and periodontal tip for comprehensive oral care. This flosser features 2 modes: clean for thorough flossing and massage to improve gum health, and 10 water pressure levels, allowing you to customize your clean. Sleek and compact, it's designed to fit perfectly on any bathroom vanity, and the lightweight handle makes it easy to maneuver. If you're looking for a stylish and convenient way to upgrade your oral hygiene, the Aqua Flosser Pro is an excellent choice. Operan. Next on our list is the Operan Water Flosser, a portable and rechargeable oral irrigator designed to give you a professional-level clean at home or on the go. With water pressure ranging from 40 to 120 psi and 1,800 high-pressure pulses per minute, this cordless flosser effectively removes 99.99% of food debris, leaving your teeth whiter and your mouth feeling fresh. The 4 professional cleaning modes, gentle, normal, pulse, and powerful, cater to all oral care needs, whether you require a gentle clean or a more intense water stream for deep cleaning. The 360-degree rotating nozzles include options like a tongue cleaner and plaque remover, making this flosser ideal for people with braces, bridges, or orthodontic appliances. With a 300 milliliter water tank and IPX7 waterproof rating, this flosser is easy to clean and can even be used in the shower. It also boasts an impressive battery life, lasting up to 30 days on a single charge, making it perfect for travel. Its compact and lightweight design, paired with USB-A and Type-C charging options, ensures that it's convenient for home or office use. For those looking for a portable yet powerful flosser, the Operan Water Flosser is a fantastic choice. The Burst Water Flosser is a compact cordless device designed to blast away plaque and freshen your breath in no time. With 3 pressure modes, standard, turbo, and pulse, you can customize your flossing experience based on your needs. Whether you're looking for a powerful clean or a gentle gum massage, the Burst Flosser has you covered. Its 360-degree rotating tips make it easy to reach every nook and cranny of your mouth, even for those with braces, bridges, or sensitive gums. One of the standout features is its impressive 80-day battery life. After a single overnight charge, this flosser is ready to go for months, making it perfect for travel. The water-resistant design allows for shower use, and the easily refillable tank adds to its convenience. The included travel bag makes it a great on-the-go companion. If you're looking for a portable, powerful, and long-lasting water flosser, the Burst Water Flosser is an excellent choice. Onlyone. The Onlyone Water Dental Flosser is a dentist-recommended solution for those looking for advanced, effective oral care. Using cutting-edge water pulse technology, this flosser operates at 1,500 to 2,000 pulses per minute, with 50 to 150 psi, making it 3 times more effective than traditional flossing. It removes 99.9% of plaque and food debris, leaving your teeth clean and your gums healthy. With 4 pressure settings and 5 interchangeable tips, including options for gentle or intense cleaning, you can personalize your flossing experience. The flosser also features a memory function, saving your preferred settings for each use. Equipped with a 300 milliliter water tank, this model requires fewer refills, making it convenient and efficient. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 30 days of use on a single 3-hour charge, making it perfect for home use or travel. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures safe use in the shower or while washing, and with its upgraded motor, the device is built to last for up to 3 years. If you're looking for a professional-grade, portable water flosser, the Onlyone water dental flosser is an excellent choice. Bitvae C5. Rounding out our list is the Bitvae C5 water flosser, a stylish and powerful portable option designed for comprehensive oral care. With 3 modes and 5 intensity settings, this flosser tailors the experience to your needs, whether you require gentle care for sensitive gums or a deep clean for braces and hard-to-reach spots. The 260 milliliter wide-mouth water reservoir ensures enough water for a 60-second full-mouth cleaning, while also being easy to clean and refill for optimal hygiene. What makes the Bitvae C5 perfect for travel is its 40-day battery life. A full charge in just 4 hours keeps it going for over a month, making it a worry-free option on the go. The flosser comes with 6 replacement tips and a 360-degree rotating nozzle, ensuring that every corner of your mouth is cleaned efficiently. Plus, the IPX7 waterproof design means it's shower-safe, so you can incorporate it seamlessly into your daily routine. The Bitvae C5 adds a touch of personality to your oral care routine while providing powerful performance. And that wraps up our picks for the best water flossers of 2024. Whether you're looking for something portable for travel or a powerful flosser for home use, these options will help keep your gums healthy and your smile bright. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.